come to the front and pay attention to this video because this half wig right here is going to be everything and more that you need for the summer. Y'all, this is Nadula's new upgraded half wigs, plenty of combs. It has a drawstring in it as well, and it has little extra 4C edges. Just in case your edges are thinning, you need a little bit help on that end to make blending even more seamless, even more flawless for you. This is going to be the unit for you. Of course, you've got your adjustable drawstring right here. That's going to make sure the unit is nice and secure without pulling or tugging. And this kinky curly texture is just, y'all, it was so freaking soft and easy to work with. So y'all, let's go ahead and get right into it. So you have plenty of styling options. Obviously, you could just pop this on, leave a little bit of your edges out right in the front, a little bit of your hairline, and then just blend. But I did something a little different. I did a very much trending style right now. We are getting into our summer break, y'all, summertime warmer weather. And so I decided to just go ahead and do some braids in the front with, of course, some baby hair. Yeah, just a little tip for you guys. I finished up cornrow in the front of my hair. This is the hardest part, and this wig honestly is the key to this whole entire look. Instead of spending hours like getting your hair sewn in or braids or whatever you want to do, you take 30 seconds and pop this thing in. So it comes, like I said, with plenty of clips. It's not gonna fall out, you guys. It's not tugging or pulling on my hair. And I'm gonna turn around and show you also the drawstring to make sure it's nice and secure. All you're gonna do is just pull the first little button and then make sure you pull the second one, and that will secure it all, and just tuck the drawstring in the back and you are good to go. Y'all, this hair is also very soft. I really didn't have to detangle much, didn't use too much hair. Again, I'm going in with my Cream of Nature curling foam, and that's really all I used on this hair. It was enough. When I tell you, this is such a low maintenance but the cutest freaking style I've done in such a long time. I loved it, y'all. So anyways, I'm just working that Cream of Nature through in sections, combing it out with my unbrush, and then at the end like of each little section, I think I ended up doing like 4 sections, I just kind of twirled the ends of the hair. And make sure I didn't twirl like all of my head, the ends, but some of those parts I did, because it just kind of stops it from frizzing. So that's what I'm doing right here, just giving it a little twirl, making sure I got some clumps coming in, and just really just, you know, making sure my hair is saturated and getting this texture to show through. And I'm wearing 20 inches on this. I think you can actually go shorter if you want to, like to really have a super low maintenance style. I would even do like 14 inches braided in the front, and you are good to go for some weeks. I love this half wig because you also have versatile styling options. Y'all, if you don't want to cornrow the front of your hair, you don't have to. It comes with, like I showed you in the beginning of the video, the little edges. If your hair is thinning in the front, the little edges, you can lay those down. They're just going to help you blend your hair with the half unit as well to make it a little bit more seamless. So you can do like the flip over curly method if you want to. You can do this look. You can do half up, half down. You have so many styling options, whether you want to leave all of your hair out, a little bit of your hair out, or like I'm doing right here, I just cornrowed the front of my hair, and I'm in like a really good protective style, you guys. None of my hair is actually exposed. And the best thing about this half wig, this is why I hate that I don't work with these enough, because you literally only need 5 minutes in the morning to get your hair done and you are good to go, and you can sleep just as calm and just as peaceful without anything pulling or tugging on your hair either. So this look would not be complete, y'all, without laying these edges. And I'm going in with my Kalita Naturals first, and then my Blue Lagoon Gem, because it's not super warm here in Connecticut just yet. I think we just went through like a 60, 50, 60 degree weather or whatever. But laying these edges in this combo right here, y'all, is going to keep your edges together. If you're going to do this style, make sure you have a little bit of your baby hair left out. I think it adds a little something to this look. Definitely gives you more of a vacation vibe as well. Carefree, youthful, just vacation vibe. And it's going to go with all your outfits, all that good stuff, you know, whatever you're wearing, whether you're just lounging at the beach or you are going on date night, even if you're not on vacation. This style is just so good. It's a good one. Like it's probably one of my favorite styles so far of 2025. So y'all right here, I'm just going in and breaking up the length, adding a few layers. Nothing crazy, nothing, whatever, because I don't like to do the most when I get a new unit. Touching up my makeup, and here's the first look, y'all. If we're just wearing it down, and I'm like, y'all, I seriously picture myself on a beach or a Sedona at the pool or something, looking cute. Y'all, you can't tell me this is not it. And I can take it off at night and sleep comfortably. Like, that is such a win-win for me. Nothing's pulling on my edges, my hairline, and I get to sleep very comfortable at night. I'm good. If you need to pull your hair up, a quick half up, half down style for y'all that I'm doing right here. I just pulled up in a little bun. So I don't know if you're working out or you're just lounging by the pool. If you're just running errands at home, you a mama, you a wife, you got responsibilities, you're not on vacation. Here's just another cute and simple look for you guys. And since they did send some headbands, or if you have some headbands at home, you want to switch it up a little bit, here is how it looks with just a headband. I think it definitely gives more of a sporty look, and it's still so freaking cute. These next two styles are just bun styles for you, because I know when y'all are wearing half wigs, it's also warmer months. Hello, we're gonna keep pushing that because it's true. We're looking for a cute protective style. So here's a unit just wearing the same white headband, and then I switched to black because I wear black probably 99.9% when I'm wearing a style like this. And then I also just pulled out a few of those curls. Maybe if you're going on a cute little dinner, you can wear your hair like this, or again, if you just want to just switch it up and just put the black headband on, you're still good to go. And then of course, we're gonna throw this in a high bun right here for one more styling option. So styling options are endless with this unit, you guys. Make sure you check the description box. I'll have everything, the exact unit down there for you, as well as any products that I use. Y'all, I hope this was helpful. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll talk to you in my next one. Bye.